Hello Amazon sellers. In this video, I will show you how to register a brand on Amazon in just a couple of moments. Let's proceed. You just need to search brandregistry.amazon.com and you will land on this page. At this dashboard, you need to click on enroll a new brand. Once you click on this, enroll a new brand, you will see this kind of the interface, and obviously you will choose according to the available options, and you can just go enroll your brand. And then you need to add the brand name. Let's say it's XYZ, then upload the logo. Then you need to choose the authority who have given you the trademark. Yes, you must have trademark if you are selling in the USA. You must have a trademark from USPTO. If you want to register a trademark in UK, obviously you have to have a trademark from UK authorities, and same is the thing for all the countries. Moving next, we have to apply, we have to give a registration number, and then we have to choose a category of our products. Whatever it is, we will choose the category, and then we will choose ASIN. By the way, if you have any ASIN on Amazon 3, 4, you can add here. Even if you have only one ASIN, you can add that ASIN here. That's it. And then we will add a website link. It's optional, it's not necessary. And yes, this is any e-commerce platform, this is not essential as well. And then we have to upload the images of our packaging. Once we're done, we will click on next. Here is an application from our previous brand. We have added the logo, and then we will add the other details and then move next. Obviously we have to provide these things. Once we provide and at the next page, there is only two options, that we are not a distributor, we are distributing or not. We have to just check mark that we are not distributing, and then we have to submit the application. That's the complete process. You just need to have a trademark, then you are done, and we can register your brand on Amazon. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.